All right, now welcome back, everybody. It's been a very long time since one of these was done, but unlikely anybody noticed. So, what we're doing today is we just unbox the actual computer itself. Brand new. I did turn it on to make sure it works. And the first thing we're going to do is install this so that you can actually use it for something. Being the base model, this has no floppy, no nothing. In fact, it's missing this, which gives it 128K. Right now it has 64 and only boots to basic. Install is fairly simple. This is the board, by the way. And it only fits in one slot, right here. And that's it. I guess IBM was not worried about things creeping out of the slot. Now, that we've done that, it's diagnostic time. We're going to test this to make sure this memory board works. I bought several of them. This is sealed in the box, so it should be okay. I have these, which trigger the diagnostics, and I also have the IBM Blue Book, which I was lucky enough to get sealed because it includes these. So we're going to pause and plug these in and start the advanced diagnostics, and we'll see what that looks like while we test the memory. Okay, so the idea now is to turn it on and watch it do its tests. Service manual says it will drop to basic when complete. We press Control Alt and Insert, and I'm using the Chiclet keyboard. And memory test will run at the bottom. So we'll wait for that to get to 128K. We can check some other things. Can't check the floppy drive. Just use the arrow keys to move around. We'll figure that out. Looks like you do. Okay, so it's actually pretty advanced for 1983. I don't think the IBM PC had built-in diagnostics, actually. We should probably test the video part while we're here, since this is a video expansion card that grants us 80 columns instead of 40. And a lot of these are graphics modes I have not seen on here before. Completed with a star. So almost the same test. This appears to be the 80 column mode, and then we're doing 640 by 200, the high res graphics modes. Okay. I believe this is light pen, so we won't get anything out of that. All right, successful memory install and test. Now we'll move on to another peripheral. I'll see you in the next video.